The Bachelor of Music and Sound Engineering program here on the Athlone campus is a 3-year program specifically designed to be the Swiss Army knife of all things audio engineering. So we're looking at studio sound engineering, we're looking at live sound engineering, we're looking at sound for radio, film, TV, video games, everything. We're then also looking at instrument technology. So we're designing guitars, mandolins, and also acoustic technology. So we're looking at room acoustics, so diffusers and absorbers. The third part that would also differentiate us from other programs in the CAO is that we're looking at the basic tenets of working in the industry in relation to entrepreneurship, marketing. The first thing to say about our program, music is in the title, but it's very important for all applicants to our program to understand that you do not need to be musically inclined or have any experience of music to be able to come in to our program. From a modules perspective, we're looking at sound engineering, we're looking at instrument technology, we're looking at music marketing, we're looking at visual language, we're looking at a whole plethora, a whole suite of different modules to make this the ultimate Swiss Army knife. The teaching style of our program will involve a lot of lab-based work, theory-based work, and also workshop-based work. Opportunities for graduates of our program. It's difficult to really be succinct about this answer because there's so many career opportunities. The creative industry allows for students of our program to be able to find themselves in a multiple of different situations, to be honest, from a working perspective. So much so that what we encourage our students to have is something called a blended income portfolio, which means that they might have 2 or 3 smaller positions doing like sound engineering work, live work, work with animators, to be able to make one combined income. There are other opportunities, of course, in recording studios and animation studios, but the creative industry allows for a lot of lateral movement between different positions, so our graduates could expect to have a multiplicity of different career opportunities when they finish our program.